Alright guys, hello, and today I pulled this out of my collection. This is the second issue to the POW MIA tribute train from the Bradford Exchange. And this is the second issue of it. This is the POW MIA You Are Not Forgotten B unit car. This is the second car in the issue. So let's get a good look at this train, shall we? Black with a lot of accents on it. This just shows you the front issue where it locks in. Now we can just turn it around, and here we go. The POW MIA You Are Not Forgotten B unit train. This is for the POW MIA people. POW stands for Prisoner of War, or MIA stands for Missing in Action. We got the American flag going on with the train. We got soldiers who are back in here. We got soldiers who fought in the war back in there. I believe this covers Vietnam, WW1, and so on. I'm not really too sure about what it covered. But lots of men and women who fought in that war, those wars passed away. Fought for us. This is why this train right here was so much interesting to get and everything. And I have uncles who fought in that war. I have a grandfather who was a cook in that war before he passed away. And I thought, this had to be picked up before. So yeah, we got the American flag with the eagle flying, soldiers on the side, and these words to still remember. You are not forgotten. You'll never be forgotten for what you guys did back then. So yeah, this is the side view of it. We got the 3 stars on there. The back is just the exit door, and we got the same sign on the other side. Silver on the guards down to protect the wheels. The POW MIA flag on the bottom. Really nice. So yeah, and this is all locked up. Train guard locks up. Let's bring in the engine. We got the engine right here. We got the diesel locomotive right here. They're always giving you the beginning train. Now this is just an old scene. Every car has different look right here. We got the eagle right there, and if you look carefully, you can see the American flag starting, connecting, continue there. You can see the flag still going, continuing on. And it's all based on the POW MIA. This is a tribute train to those people back then. And it still continues on today. Because there are still prisoner of wars out there or missing in action. In this train, you're not forgotten. You'll never be forgotten for what you've done in there. True American patriots who go out there every single day of their life, who fight in the wars. Yes. Fighting to protect our freedom. You are not forgotten for what you've done. You are not forgotten there. No matter what war comes up, you guys are not forgotten for what you've done. I look down there at the cemetery, and every time we go there, I see the wall of tribute to every fallen soldier there. Those are the men who fought for our freedom. So yeah, wonderful train here. I love this train. As soon as I can, I will get issue 3 and continue on for the more train. So I want to say thank you to those soldiers for what they did. You are not forgotten for what you did. Even if you are still missing in action, or you're still a prisoner of war, you're not forgotten for what you've done. Thank you guys for watching this video.